Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong referrer-based access control. So this lab controls access to certain admin functionality based on the referrer header. You can familiarize yourself with the admin panel by logging in using the credentials administrator admin. To solve the lab, log in using the credentials winner Peter and exploit the flawed access controls to promote yourself to become an administrator. So visit natin yung lab and login tayo as administrator. So, ngayon, we have the admin panel and let's try to promote Carlos, no? So, ayan, admin na siya and let's take a look at the request. So, here, pumunta tayo sa admin panel and pumunta tayo sa get admin roles username Carlos upgrade, no? So, meaning, basta ma-send natin itong specific na request na to, then, gagana na yung ating account upgrade. No? So, hindi na siya post request. Get request na siya. So, knowing this, we can just go and access winner's account and try this. No? So, log out muna tayo as admin. Then, log in tayo as winner. So, winner Peter. And, ngayon, let's try na isend yung get admin roles dito. No? So, kuha tayo ng request ni winner. So, ito, get my account winner. Let's send this to the repeater. And palitan natin tong get request to get admin roles. And palitan natin yung username, gawin natin winner. So, let's send this. And we see na unauthorized. No? So, meaning, hindi gumana yung request natin at hindi natin upgrade yung user na winner to an admin. So, sabi dun sa lab instructions kanina, chinecheck niya daw yung referrer header. So, tignan natin kung ano ba yung pinagkaibahan ng referrer header natin dito at saka yung referrer header na gumana. No? So, let's go back. So, makikita natin dito, yung referrer header dito ay naka-slash admin. No? So, ibig sabihin, nanggaling yung request from the slash admin. So, punta tayo sa repeater natin, palitan natin to ng slash admin. And let's send the request again. And see na 302 found na. Ibig sabihin na upgrade na natin yung account ni winner to an admin. And if we visit the lab, na-solve na natin yung lab. Okay, so nagre-rely lang yung lab sa referrer to verify whether yung isang request ay nanggaling ba talaga sa admin or not. Okay? So, I hope na-gets nyo itong video na to and see you in the next video.